Planning a fun weekend together.
Hello, can we talk now? I want to plan the weekend. What are you doing? Would you like to go to the new park? Saturday afternoon around 3 p.m. Oh, what is it? Okay, we will try a different time then. Sunday is fine for me. What about the cinema on Saturday? There is a new action film. It starts at 6 p.m. If we meet at 5:45 p.m., we will have time for snacks. And for Sunday, the park at 3 p.m. is good. Don't worry, I will bring the drinks. Yes, I will text it to you later. Me too, I will see you on Saturday. You too, bye.
Sharing opinions about a new series.
Hi, did you watch the new detective series? Oh, what did you think of it? Can I ask who your favorite character was? I agree, she had a good story. Yes, I didn't think he was the thief. Oh, what was wrong with it? Well, I'm not sure about that. I thought it was important. Could you watch it again next week? I understand. Would you like a recommendation? If you like funny movies, I can tell you about Cat on a Bike. I would love to. It's very popular. I watched it late after dinner. That's good to know. We will talk about the new movie next week. No problem. Talk to you later.
Studying and scheduling for school.
Hi, how was your morning at school? Can I ask about your history test? That's too bad. I thought it was easy. Yes, I would love to. What time should we meet? Oh, tell me about it. Well, I'm not sure if I can stay that late. Sunday morning is perfect for me. Yes, 10:00 a.m. at the library. We will focus on math. We can start there. I'm good at shapes. Yes, I will bring it and extra paper. If we work hard, we will finish by lunchtime. And what about the English homework? Is it easy? Perfect, so see you Sunday at 10:00 a.m. It's a pleasure. Have a nice afternoon.
Choosing a place to eat together.
Hello, yes, I didn't eat lunch today. A new place, tell me about it. Tacos sound great. Where is it exactly? Oh, I know that street. What is the name? Well, I can eat tacos, but I don't like spicy food. What did they say about the spice? That is good news. What else can we order? I see. I will try the cheese dip then. 30 minutes is too soon. I'm still at work. If you wait for 45 minutes, I can buy the drinks. That's good to know. I will leave my office now. I will bring some cash just in case. Yes, I am excited now. Thank you. Bye.
Planning a beach trip and budgeting.
How can I talk about a trip? I want to visit the coast for 2 days. Maybe next month on the first weekend. We can take the bus. It's cheaper than the train. Oh, what is the problem? Well, I'm not sure if we can afford the train tickets. That is a good idea. I will check the website. We will book a simple room near the beach. Yes, please. I will send you the dates. If the train is too expensive, we will rent a small car. That's good to know. We need to save some money. Maybe $100 each for food and fun. Great. Talk to you tomorrow about the train price. My pleasure. Goodbye.
Learning and sharing a new hobby.
Hello, how was your evening yesterday? Oh, can I ask about your new hobby? Painting. That is very interesting. That's nice. What kind of paint do you use? I tried oil paints once, but they were very messy. I see. It gets easier over time. Could you teach me the basic steps? Friday sounds great. We will need paint and paper. That is so kind. I will buy the paper. Maybe at 7:00 p.m. after dinner. Well, I'm not sure if I can paint for 2 hours straight. Perfect. Thank you for this offer. Yes, see you then. Bye.
Talking about fitness and healthy habits.
Hi, thank you. I started the gym last week. Sure, I go 3 times every week. I go in the morning at 6:00 a.m. Aha, I see. It gives me energy for the day. I run for 30 minutes and then I lift small weights. Don't worry, you should try swimming instead of running. Could you join my gym? They have a good pool. It costs $40. It's a very good price. If you sign up today, we will both get a discount. That's good to know. I will send you the link to sign up. Yes, I eat more fruit and fewer sweets. You can still eat a little chocolate on Saturday. You are welcome. We will go to the gym together soon. Bye.
Remembering old school memories.
Hi, look at this old photo. Can I ask about that day? We look so young in that picture. Yes, I remember the funny thing that happened. Minor obstacle. I remember the lead singer forgot the words to the first song. Don't worry, he quickly started the song again. Yes, we laughed so much that night. No way, today's singers are very professional. Yes, that was not planned, it just happened. That's good to know, it's nice to remember. If we talk about the zoo, we will talk for 2 hours. Well, I'm not sure if I can wait until next week. Okay, thank you for looking at the old photo. I will send it now. Bye.
Discussing dreams and future goals.
Hi, I am thinking about my future career. I want to start a small online business. I will sell handmade hats and scarves. Aha, I see, I need to learn about money. I like the cozy corner, but the name is already taken. Could you help me think of a new name? That is simple and good. I will write it down. Yes, I will check that tonight. I will make them at home in my extra room. I hope it grows fast. That is the plan. Thank you. I will give you a friend's discount. Yes, I will study at night and work during the day. I think so too. Wish me luck. Thank you. Bye for now.
Helping a friend prepare for exams.
Hi, you look a little sad. Can I ask what is making you stressed? Oh, the math exam. That is a hard one. Yes, I would love to help you. Don't worry, we can look at those topics now. Let's start with the hard topics first. I can show you the steps. They are simple. Yes, we will use the numbers 10 and 2. I will write down all the steps for you. Yes, I will check everything for you. I hope so. You are very smart. Well, I'm not sure if we need more than 1 hour. Okay, let's open the book. We will solve this. Anytime. Good luck with the division. Hey, did you like today's video? Then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Exactly, new videos every week. Stay tuned.